I'm Leo. Today we will learn about farm animals. Are you ready? Let's meet them one by one. Cow. This is a cow. Cows live on a farm. They say, moo. Cows give us milk. Milk helps us grow strong. Dog. This is a dog. Dogs live with us. They say, woof, woof. Cat. This is a cat. Cats live in the house. They say, meow. Horse. This is a horse. Horses live in a stable. They say, neigh. Horses are very fast. They can run and jump. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chicken live in a coop. They say, cluck, cluck. Chickens give us eggs. Eggs are healthy to eat. Goat. This is a goat. Goats live on the farm. They say, meh. Goats can climb high mountains. They are strong. Pig. This is a pig. Pigs live in a pig pen. They say, oink, oink. Pigs love to play in the mud. It's fun for them. Great job! You learned 7 farm animals today. Can you say them with me? Cow, dog, cat, horse, chicken, goat, pig. See you next time.